Hi friends, welcome to my video. And in this video today we are going to publish our app. This is a like a spending bubble shooter type game. So we are going to publish this game. So we already been collected the information and everything. So here that and noted that this is a old console account. So in this there is a no 20 testers. If you require the 20 tester service, just go in the reset infotech.in website, and we have been providing the 20 tester service. If you want a 20 tester service, just go in our website and you can see there is a 20 testers page is there. So here you can see our prices are there, and you can see how to do the 20 testers also. You will find here mail IDs also, and this is our prices. So whichever you want, you can able to buy. Just place a order here, and it will redirect to your the payment page, and here you can do the payment, and we are going to contact you by the WhatsApp. Or if you want to contact us in the WhatsApp, you can see here WhatsApp is there and the call information is there. You can able to do that. So let's get started, and I will show you how to publish your app in your old console. So as you can see, there is a create account app is there. So here we will take it out of our description. So just we am writing here app name, and it is a game. So I will click on a game, and it's a free. Just click and confirm here, and it has been creating the app. So make sure we are not doing any testers, and just we are doing the setup for the publish our app. So we will going to start your app, and make sure it is a old console. So in the low old console, it won't show the closer testers and all those things. It has a direct publication. There is no required of 20 testers. So just be on the tasks. It is the first step is as a provide policy. So I already been copy the policy link over here. Just copy and paste. If you want to make how to make a private policy video, so in the videos you can find how to make a private policy also. Just save it and go back again, and app access. So it is a game, so my app it does not require any special access for this. Just save it, go back, and it's content ad. Yes, it's content ad, so I've been mentioning as a S. Just go back, and content rating. So this I need to write here content rating. So for this I will write it this mail ID only. So we should get the data of the content rating here. So it is a game. So just click as no, there is a no violence. Just tick it as a no, so it won't be much a problem to you. If you are creating like a S, then it will be your writing will be like 18 plus and all those kind of stuffs in there. If it is a nudity, and it will be going to show you, so just take it as a S. If it is a thing is there, a particular thing, it will be going to harm you. So then click it as a no. So it is a just better do the next on no only, so it will be very fine for you, and save it and do the next. Just see where is my pointers are going, so you can able to follow with this. Go back, and targeting audience. So most of the targeting audience are 18 plus only the if you are making any below less ages like 5 6 9 10 13 and 16, so you need to make according to that policy. But right now I'm making as the 18 plus only, so just next. No, my app is does not design for the children, so just click in as a yes, it's not been designed, and save it, and go back. And it is a news app. No, it is not been news app, as it is a game, so I know it to be required as a news application. And this is a data safety, so most of people are facing a problem from here. For that I request you, I will going to give you the CSV file, so you can able to import the CSV file according to the policies. So it is very easy. Before by doing the manually, it's better to do the automatic by the Excel file. Just import the CSV and upload the file here. So I think I posted here. Yeah, data safety. So what it is going to do, it is going to import all default settings for you. So just clicking on the next and save it. So it is a data safety completely guidance. So If you require this Excel file, I am going to share you. Don't no need to be worried for that, and it is a free of cost. No need to be paying for any amount for that. And it's asking whether is your app is a government app. I said no, it is not been a government app. If your app has been related to government, then you need to have a documentation from the government side. Whether it is any country, it's depend upon your country, so you should be able to do that. And it is asking if it is a financial application. No, it's not been a financial application of mine. We are not providing any loan or any kind of a thing. So just because if you are doing those things, then you need to submit the which is a bank is there in your country, the reserve bank. So you need to take the documents from that. Just click on next, then it's finished. So it is only game, so no need to no need to have this kind of a document. And there is a new section. It's asking, say most of people are facing this problem. Everybody is getting a notification that your app is a health related app or not. So nowadays the health related, there is so many problems are going on. So because of that, Google has been specially clicked here. This is the main thing. So if it is health related, just click on this health, and it's asking is related what is the parameter and all those things. So but right now it is my game, so no need to be required anything right now. So if it is your app is like related to healthcare or fitness or any gym activities, any kind of a app that we are writing about the sexual health and or anything, you need to have recording to the documents also. If you have any problem, let us know. We will going to show you how to do that also. So my app is only game, so it does not include any health features right now. So just save it and go back and set up your app category and details. So here this is a like a puzzle games only, believe it. So I will just click on a puzzles. Okay, and tags. Most of people they does not add the tags, but it is very good if you add the tags because according to the tags only your video will be going. Sorry, your app will be going to be on the top. So and here you need to write your email ID so where they can able to contact you or anything like that. So I just written here, save it, and go back and click on here and select your store information. So we are going to this game is easy to learn. The first I'm writing the short description here and long description also. Don't worry, it has been highlighting for you in the red, but don't worry, it is as of asking for 4000 words, but I have written only 868 words, so it's not been a big problem. And upload our logo. uh, so this is our logo, and this is a big image. Oh my god, the file size must be 1 MB only. Again I need to edit. The logo size it's not been right place. So what I need to do, I need to edit the logo here. Just take a file 512. Just click it here, and I need to take out the logo here. So this images are not taking as in a site, so it's better to remove these things. Sorry for the some background noises here. Just save it and go back and so now it is a time to release our app. So you can see there is a release your app, test your app, and let everyone sign in and build executive and create and publish and set up your but right now we are going to publish, so we are going to create and publish and release will be there. Just click here and click for the countries and add all the countries here. So just allow for all countries and save it and create for a new release and choose the signature, use the Google signature here. It takes some time while it is been loading here. So it's been loading here right now. So the app store has been generated. So now we need to upload our ABB file here. So just click on ABB file. So before that I will copy here some small description here. So I will paste it here. So it's up to you, whatever you want to write, or you want to write any feature you can even write. As per the convenience I have been just copying and pasting because this app will be going to be transferred to one of your customer. So it's been very easy. So we are being just waiting. So our app has been bundled or published. Just click on next, and here you can see most of people will get confused here. So this is error it's showing. Click on error and it is a targeting API 33. So it's asking whether you are in app you have a ads HTTP or not. Yes, usually when we are running the ads, so when it has these things. So just click on analytics and advertisement and marketing. So just click on save and go back and go back to the all apps and again go in the our app and go in the preview and confirm for the release. So edit here, release yours and go next. So there is only one warning, it is not a big thing here. So you just save it and go for overview, send for all the changes for the Google. So all the changes has been sent off. Okay, so our app, whenever the app is review is been completed, so automatically our app will be go live here. So while if I'm checking that the links not been found, but per se for my reference I'm keeping the link. So for the reference of my customer, so like this we will going to publish our app and I hope you will going to like it. You need any 20 tester services or app publishing, or you want to sell your old consoles or new consoles, and if you are facing any problem to the launch the game, so you can contact to us and we are providing the 20 tester service with the best prices. so you can able to come and you can take the 20 tester service, and it has a reasonable prices for you. And it is not only the 20 testers we are giving to you, and we'll make sure the app should be get a live and everything, and we will every day we will going to test it out here, right, with the best qualities and completely work. And if you think that the amount is so much, and you can pay in the like installment in the 3 EMIs, you can be able to pay me. And as you can see, we have our customers also here who has been taking the services from. So let us know if you are feeling very fine and it is very good for you. So if you really like our video and enjoy it, so please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.